It seems we get one thunderstorm a day now. Yeah, there's Gerry, got caught in a storm. Yeah. Yep. Got stuck out in the storm, he did. He's gonna come up and say hello. These trains haven't quit, they're running double trains now. See? Yep. We're getting us a thunderstorm every day now. It's a good rain, I don't have to water my garden. Look at them trains, man. Look, there's Gerry. Got caught in the rain.
Oh, yeah.
Just get yourself an umbrella for that thing and flip it on the side. Mind you, with this wind, it would probably flop real quick. Oh, there was a lightning strike right there.
Oh, there was one good one back there when I tried to hide.
Yeah, this rain's coming sideways on my back.
Yes.
I don't even think here's a good place to hide, Gerry.
And the police are right there.
Oh, are they?
Sitting there.
Well, I guess they got nothing better to do. Oh, there's
I
John.
was going to run to you and I will, but the zebras.
Yeah. This is what we gotta put up with all the freaking time, all this noise from these yahoos over here on the railroad tracks. Wow. Okay, I'm shutting this down. I'm not using a handheld device in this lightning storm now.